Hi everyone, I've got a VW Passat here on a 11 plate. Just going to show you how to replace the bulb on this. Can you just switch the lights on, please? As you can see, on the driver's side front it's working, and then on this side here, the outer one's out. It's a H7 bulb. Just going to show you how it's done. Lights off, please. Now on the inside there, you can see that's the cover that you need to remove. So if I remove the cover first, that's the plug. Now what I need to do is I need to remove the plug first. So if I can remove the plug, at the same time, on the right side of the bulb, on this side here, there's a little lug that's holding the bulb in place. And then on the left side as well, there's a little lug that's holding the bulb in place. So what you do, you got to wiggle, left, right, and then it should just come out. Here we go. Now the bulb's out. Now you see this little pin sticking out from the bulb, that's a H7 mode. That needs to go back on the top. So if I take the bulb out, put the new one in. Now that's the bulb, it's a H7 bulb. So that lug needs to face up. If I slot it in, I've got it right in there now. So you can see the lug is facing up. So once I've got it in there, I then gently push it in. Here we go, that's in. And then I'll plug it back together. We're just going to check, see if the light's working, to see if the bulb is fitted correctly as well. You can look through there. As you can see, the bulb is nicely fitted in. We're just going to check now. Now both of them are working. That's all you got to do on your car. Any more information, please do let us know, and we'll try helping you as much as we can. Thank you very much. Goodbye.